A 10-watt solar trickle charger is designed to provide a steady, low-level charge to 12-volt batteries. Unlike traditional battery chargers that deliver a high current to rapidly replenish battery power, trickle chargers gently supply power, avoiding the risk of overcharging. Each charger generates up to 10 watts of energy, suitable for maintaining the charge of a standard 12-volt battery. Here are some of the main advantages of these solar trickle chargers. Weatherproofing. High-quality models are fully weatherproof, ensuring they can function in diverse weather conditions. Durability. Encased in durable materials, such as aluminum frames, which offer resistance to rust and corrosion. Ease of use. Most chargers come with multiple connection options such as 12 versus DC plugs and battery clamps for user convenience. The continuous, gentle approach to battery charging can help extend the life of the battery, as it mitigates the risks associated with repeated, rapid charging cycles. These solar chargers leverage either crystalline or amorphous solar panel technology. Amorphous solar technology, often used due to its ability to charge efficiently even in cloudy conditions, consists of a thin film layer that captures sunlight. For safety and convenience, many models come with an LED charge indicator and a built-in blocking diode to prevent reverse discharging.